Are your RedNote comments not showing up? In this video, I'll show you some easy ways to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Then you can head back, switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, update RedNote app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app RedNote. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app. Next, force close and reopen. Swipe RedNote off your recent apps, relaunch. Sometimes that's all it needs. Clear cache for RedNote app, so launch settings. Navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. From this list, find RedNote, launch it, click on Offload app, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, check app permissions. So head back, click on the option Apps. From the list of apps, find RedNote, launch it. Now, check the permissions. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, you can contact RedNote support team. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.